Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the diary screen on a GoodX Desktop app. In this video, we will start on a GoodX appointment screen within the diary module. For a more comprehensive explanation of the features and sections covered in this video, please refer to the user manuals linked in this video's description. Please note, if your practice has multiple practitioners, you will have to select the desired practitioner from the Specify Doctor drop-down menu. The Specify Doctor drop-down menu will allow you to select a specific practitioner's diary to view. Click on a Specify Doctor drop-down menu and select the desired practitioner's diary. The current time field will display the time in this moment. The Select Date field will display the date the diary is currently displaying. Click on a Select Date drop-down menu and change the currently selected viewing date of the diary to a date of your choosing. The diary will now be updated to display the chosen date. Receipts will allow you to capture receipts for either patients or for medical aids. The Debtor List will allow you to filter through the current existing debtors and patients, as well as to view new debtors. If at any point you would like to view the transactions and the like from the existing debtors on the system, simply click on the Account Inquiry button. Print Diary will allow you to print the entire day of the diary, or save it as a PDF or HTML document. Book Patient will allow you to make a booking on the time slot selected. The Waiting Room will display the patients which have already arrived at the practice. New Time provides you with the flexibility to incorporate additional time slots that are not already on the diary. Task List can be utilized to create a task for a specific debtor and assign it to a staff member within the practice. Doctors will allow you to update more than one practitioner's diary at the same time. The diary colors can be configured to the preferences of the user as well as the practice. The Refresh button will allow the user to refresh the diary to update with the latest information and appointments. Filter will allow you to filter the diary to the desired booking types and booking related information. Surgery refers to the operation or theatre list within the diary. Invoices can be utilized to perform invoices for new or existing patients which have undergone treatment, procedures or consultations. Birthdays will allow you to filter the debtors and patients' birthdays according to the specified debtor statuses or according to a date period. To navigate between the days of the diary, utilize the Previous Day and Next Day buttons. Search will allow you to search for information within the diary based on the criteria selected. If at any point you would like to exit the diary screen, simply click on the Exit button. When you click on the Now button, you'll be taken to the diary page of the current date and time. Update Status will allow you to update the status of the bookings to the latest status. Bookmarks enable you to create a note or reminder related to the selected appointment, which you are able to click on later to navigate to. My GC Sheet will display a list of debtors and patients which have already synced their demographic and consent information with the practice. On the diary screen, all the information regarding the appointment will be displayed in various columns, such as the appointment type, main member details, as well as the patient's relevant information. Please note that these columns on the diary can be edited and updated to the needs of the practice.